This is the final presentation for my mobile learning activity project. Project overview. My project is to design a mobile app that users can feel relaxed and yet invited to learn English as a second language through movie content. Subject area. I call it language and culture immersion instead of learning because in my opinion, language and culture is a special learning subject that ones have to immerse themselves into the situation. Learning objects of the app. To learn English as well as Western culture through movie-based materials that are contributed by users themselves. Targeted audience. Movie lovers who are interested in learning English, or vice versa, English learners who seek entertaining study materials. For my project, I chose the theoretical foundation based on my activity's content and user interface. Social learning theory provides the perfect theoretical base as it focuses on the learning that occurs within a social context. Users will learn from each other's notes and communicate with each other about movie or language learning related content, which social learning theory considers that people learn by observation and modeling. Constructivist theory also provides as part of the theoretical base, since users are encouraged to imitate or mimic the character when he or she says something or acts in a certain culturally distinctive way. So the user of the app transforms from a passive recipient of information to active constructors of knowledge. My project has gone through two major changes since the last presentation. First, I chose English as the target learning language instead of a non-specified learning object. After the IU test, I also adjusted users' account settings. Users will be able to log in with their existing social media accounts instead of creating a new one for the app. In this way, users can connect to their friends on their social platforms and see their live feeds. Case scenario. Tyler likes movies, and at the same time, he is taking English classes in his high school. After he hears about the concept and philosophy of my project, he thinks it is a brilliant idea and decides to give it a try. After Tyler logs in the app with his Facebook account, he is taken to the screen asking him to type in the name of his favorite movie. Tyler puts Fight Club as his favorite movie. Then he is directed to the profile page of the movie Fight Club, where he can choose to read existing notes contributed by other users, such as the use of words and phrases, famous quotes, and fun cultural facts. Also, with the Contribute button, he can create and add his own notes under the movie page. Tyler decides to check most favorite quotes. The page shows the quotes ranked by popularity. Tyler can save the quote and add it to his notebook by clicking the purple star on the right-hand upper right side of the screen or share it on other social media platforms. On the page, Tyler can also see comments from other users. The app also supports playback of short video clips to better understand and mimic the use of certain words and phrases. That is Tyler's first movie and English learning experience. He chooses to go back to the main page, where he can find his list of saved movies, notebook, which contains notes created by himself or other users. Also, he can take a look at his friends' movie list, notebooks, and their live feeds. If Tyler feels out of options, he can click on the Browse button and he will be directed to the page displaying randomly picked movie suggestions. That is my final presentation. Thank you very much.